Hope you all are doing well. Okay, I'm going to continue with the past tense, and today I'm going to tell you about the past continuous tense. I'm going to tell you the structure, how to form the negative and interrogative form of past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense when we use कोई काम जो बीते समय में चल रहा था. Okay, कोई काम, any work that was going on in the past. ठीक है. So the structure is subject plus was or were. Was will be used with the singulars. Okay, any subject which are singular, okay, we have to use here was, and with the first person also we can use was, but were will be used with the second person and with the plural subject. जो subjects एक से ज़्यादा है उनके साथ हम were का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, और second person you. Okay, we are going to use were with you also. Okay, and the third person or the singular subject and the first person will take was. Okay, then verbs first form plus ing plus object. Okay, I'm going to explain with some examples, like I was going to school yesterday. So I, first person, we have used here was, and it is singular also. So going, go is the main verb and we have added ing to it, or you can say the present participle, to school yesterday. Okay, then you is the second person, we have used here were, you were. Okay, then going, the verb first one plus ing, to school yesterday. Then he or she. Okay, it के साथ भी was we are going to use. With it we are going to use was because it is singular. Okay, so he or she was going to school yesterday. They are the third person and the singular also. So we can also write that Radha was going to school yesterday. Radha is a singular subject, we have to use here was. Okay, and then with the plural subject they or we were going to school yesterday. They is the third person and it is a plural one, so we are going to use were. And we is the first person, they are the first person, but they are more than one, so we are going to use here were. Okay, similarly my friends were going to school yesterday. Okay, so likewise we have to form the structure of past continuous tense. Okay, now next I am going to tell you how we can form the negative structure of the past continuous tense. Okay, now coming to the negative structure of the past continuous tense. Negative means here जो नकारात्मक वाक्य हम कैसे बनाएंगे. Okay, जिसमें नहीं, okay, या not. Okay, just we have to add not after was or were. Means after the helping verb was and were, we have to add not. Like subject plus was or were. After that we have to add not plus verbs first form, and we'll add ing to it plus object. Okay, there are some examples, like I was not going to school yesterday. मैं कल स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था. Okay, you were not going to school yesterday. Use the second person, we are using were there. So you were not going to school yesterday. And he or she was, they are the third person and singular, so we have used here was not going to school yesterday. Then they or we, they is the third person but they are in the plural form, so we have used here were. Similarly we is also a plural subject. It is the first person, but they are the first person, but it is in the plural form, so we are going to use here were not going to school yesterday. Okay, so this is the way to form the negative structure of past continuous tense. Subject plus was or were plus not plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. Now I am going to tell you the interrogative form or the interrogative structure of past continuous tense. So now I'm going to tell you the interrogative structure of past continuous tense. Interrogative means that asks a question. Okay. So in order to form the interrogative structure of past continuous tense, we have to place the helping verb was or were in the beginning. Okay. So was or were plus after that subject will come, then verb's first form, and we will add ing to it plus object. Or verb's ing form means the present participle. Okay. So some examples. Was I going to school yesterday? Okay. So this helping verb will be placed at the beginning. Then were you going to school yesterday? You have to put a question mark as it is an interrogative sentence. We are forming the interrogative form. Okay. Then were you going to school yesterday, as you is the second person and it takes the plural verb. Okay. Helping verb. Then was he or she going to school yesterday? And then were they or we going to school yesterday? Okay. So this is the way we are going to form the interrogative structure of past continuous tense. So hope you understood that how we can form the structure, okay, in the positive form, in the negative form and the interrogative form of the past continuous tense. Okay, and if you're fine with the explanation, then do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button and refer my videos and channel to more people and ask them to subscribe also. Thank you so very much.